Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Bentley stand here in Frankfurt. 2009 is a momentous year for Bentley. It is now 90 years since Walter-Owen Bentley founded the company that bears his name and which has become synonymous with British luxury motoring. Although we are facing challenging times, we are determined to continue the success story that is Bentley. For this reason, we have maintained our product investment program despite the unfavorable economic environment. You can now see this investment made real. At Geneva this year, we launched the Continental Supersport, you can see over there. This extreme Bentley, the fastest Bentley ever, yet also the greenest given it employs our flex fuel technology, has already created tremendous excitement. It goes on sale later this year, and I can assure all those eager to drive it that it is an experience unlike any other Bentley. We are also launching today a new way for customers to create an even more personalized look for a Continental GT or GTC. Series 51, named after the year in which the first official styling department was established in Crewe, Series 51 previews an exciting new design interpretation. Our color and trim team has created a stunning range of three-tone bespoke interiors which demonstrate the choice available to customers. Both the Continental Supersport and Series 51 models can be ordered now. Both cars are emblematic of what Bentley should represent: performance, luxury and craftsmanship of the highest order. These traits do not go out of fashion. They are as relevant now as they always have been. And the demand is there now for a new Grand Tourer that embraces these traditions. A Grand Tourer that combines modern automotive technology with the finest Bentley traditions. In short, a car at the pinnacle of British luxury motoring. W. Bentley created such a car in 1930, the 8-litre. This was the last big Bentley to be designed, engineered and built from the ground up by Bentley and Bentley alone. The last, that is, until now. Taking the 8-litre as inspiration, the team at Crewe set about developing a thoroughly modern statement of Grand Touring. We started from the Arnage to see what we should carry over. It was immediately apparent that the answer was virtually nothing. So, an all-new chassis unique to this car was developed. Stiffer and lighter than previous flagship Bentleys, it delivers improved ride and handling. Next, the engine. It had to produce the effortless torque and refinement at speed, which are hallmarks for all Bentleys, but one with much improved efficiency. That meant honoring our environmental commitments, a 15% improvement in CO2 emissions and fuel economy, and ultimately the application of flex fuel technology. The answer to this is a big but low-revving twin-turbo V8 and the same configuration that served Bentley so well for 50 years, but which now had to be brought into the 21st century. Our engineering team therefore set about completely re-engineering this 50-year-old design. New control systems were developed, including cam phasing and, first for the ultra-luxury sector, cylinder deactivation. This improves fuel economy, but also means that the new engine will develop 512 PS and a massive and constant 1020 Newton-meter of torque from only 1800 revs per minute. Inside the car, we were determined to include every piece of modern technology a driver could wish for, but in a distinctly Bentley way. So customers can expect state-of-the-art multimedia, including the world's most powerful in-car entertainment system, but all hidden behind a discreet, handcrafted veneer fascia. The cabin itself is perhaps the most elegant and luxurious we have ever created. Encased in a ring of wood, it is a tribute to the crew craftsmen who fashioned the materials into the pinnacle of luxury. Over 170 hours goes into crafting the interior alone. The steering wheel can take more than 15 hours to hand stitch. The stainless steel brightware 10 hours to gleam to perfection, and it takes 2 weeks to create a perfect set of matching veneers. And when you consider the multitude of hides, veneers and paint colors that give customers a virtually unlimited combination of trim, you can perhaps understand it when we say that it's the opposite of mass production. Our design team has produced a car which is a fusion of sportiness, elegance and solidity. They have been able to achieve complex yet elegant forms. Forms which convey a sense of power and movement, but with the unquestionable grace that can only be a Bentley. Ladies and gentlemen, the opportunity to create a new flagship Bentley is afforded to very few. It is a once-in-a-career opportunity. It is also an incredible challenge, but one to which the entire team from crew, the designers, engineers and those who will build it have risen with passion and pride. Everyone in the company is absolutely determined to get it right, to blend performance and refinement in a single car, a car which could be made by no other company, a car at the pinnacle of modern British motoring. I said this is an anniversary year. What better way to celebrate the 90th anniversary of Bentley Motors than to produce a car that befits the legacy of WO. And we could think of no more fitting name for this all-new big Bentley than go back to the track on which the company forged its identity over 80 years ago. Back to Le Mans and the famous corner at the end of the long straight. It is Mulsanne. Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor for me to present to you a car of which I believe W. Bentley would have been proud, the new Bentley Mulsanne.